about Kyle's mama. Straight out of Taylor, Joey C.
Kyle's mama is a big fat bitch. She's the biggest bitch I know and she stinks like shit. Remember back in the day when she was skinny?
Yeah.
Now she's fluffy but still think she's pretty. I just laugh and walk on past saying shit. Goddamn, that's a big fat ass. Fuck that slut. She's a big fat trick, but I still let her suck this 10-foot dick. Joe C, I'm a crazy hit. Down with Kid Rock in the South Park clique. I don't know much, but I know this shit. Kyle's mama is a big fat bitch.
Kyle's mama is a big fat bitch. Kyle's mama is a big fat bitch. Kyle's mama is a big fat bitch.
She's a three-toed steak ass cross-eyed bitch.
Kid Rock. Check it. My homie named Kyle lives up the block. He's got a big fat mom that sucks my cock. Non-stop, she's a sight to see. A real sloppy bitch that does right by me. She might be the best suck in the mountains 10 times a week, but shit, who's counting? I'm astounded by the things she does. She's the suckin'est, fuckin'est freak there ever was. She ain't a slut, she's a super groupie, and I pass that bitch around like a doobie. I don't know much, but I know this: Kyle's mom is a big fat bitch.